Tired of YouTube TV showing you news from a city you no longer live in? Let's fix that. First, grab your remote and navigate to your profile picture, usually found at the top right corner of the YouTube TV screen. Select your profile, then scroll down until you see Settings and click on it. This is where the magic happens. In the Settings menu, find the Location option. It's usually listed with other account preferences. Click on Location, and you'll be prompted to update. This will take you to a map where you can set your new home area. Make sure your device's location services are enabled. YouTube TV needs to confirm your location. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your current location. Sometimes, you may need to enter your zip code. Keep in mind, YouTube TV requires you to check in from your home area periodically, usually every 3 months, to maintain access to your local channels. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your device, clearing the YouTube TV app cache, or contacting YouTube TV support for further assistance, and that's it. You've successfully updated your location on YouTube TV. Now you can enjoy local news and programming wherever you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.